All right. Hey, D, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
All right, doing good. So I know we're just talking on the phone. I just sent you the link so you'll be able to hop on Zoom. And then I see you are from what part of Georgia you from?
I'm Marietta.
Marietta. Okay. And then so this is what I like to do. I always like to get my agent number before we get started because I will be asking some personal questions. So
Okay.
my license number, you got a pen or anything to write this down?
Yeah, I have a pen.
All right. So my license number is 372
Okay.
8737. So that just
Okay.
basically lets you know that I am a licensed agent. So that way, I'm not a telemarketer or nothing like that, or some one of these crazy people just calling me. All
Right,
right. So
right.
let's deal. What is your birthday?
February 27th,
February 27th. What year?
2005.
2005. All right. I got on your lead card here. It says you are from Marietta. All right. What's the zip code there?
30106.
All right. And what's a good email for you?
Uh, Dia Jackson at gmail.com.
All right. And I got what's a good phone number for you?
Um, 678-735-1608.
Right. And then what was your full address? I got Marietta. What was your actual address?
123 Main Street.
Main Street. Got you. All right. So I'm gonna ask you a couple questions really quick, and then we'll see what
Mhm.
you qualify for. All right.
Okay.
So have you had any internal cancer in the past 2 years?
No,
Any diabetes,
no.
cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, strokes, peripheral vascular diseases?
Oh, no,
All right. So you're not on oxygen.
no,
Any terminal illness?
no,
Any Alzheimer's?
no,
So you got that sometimes like me.
no, no.
All right. And have you used any tobacco in the last 12 months?
Oh, no. Mm-mm.
All right. Are you currently on probation or parole?
Oh, heavens, no.
Arrested or convicted of DUI?
No.
All right. Well, you say your monthly income is approximately.
I would say about like 2000.
All right. All right. And you do got a checking or savings account, right? With a major bank.
Yes, I do.
All right. Gotcha. Let me see what the system generates for you and see what we can help you out here. Yeah. How's the weather out there?
Very bipolar.
Yeah.
Yeah, very bipolar. It was just cold the other day, and now today it feels like I'm back in July.
It's kind of cloudy out here too. I'm in Tampa, so all right, so I'm gonna share my screen with you. That way
Mhm.
we can see what the system generated for you. I'll explain each section. All right, so that's actually pretty good stuff. So actually what generated for you, the first option is 30,000 whole life. Your recommended coverage is 30,000. And what this means is basically it's your final expenses. So with whole life, what this does after about 2 years is going to start building cash value for you as well. So if you ever need to borrow from your policy, say you want to start your own business or something like that, you can borrow from your policy, basically pay yourself back instead of paying the bank back with all the interest and putting on a credit card stuff like that. It does take about 2 years to start building and accumulating though. And then also this comes with a freedom of choice certificate. What that means is once let's say once you pass away, your beneficiary coordinate that best price of the funeral with the funeral director. Once they do that, we take over. We pay out within 48 to 72 hours. Whatever's left over, say your funeral is 20,000. And so we pay that 20,000 out within that 48, 72 hours, and that remaining 10,000 amount is going to go to your beneficiary at the exact same time.
Okay.
All right. The other option that generated was actually the 20,000 as well. So they got both. One's in basically takes in inflation into consideration, which is a 3.4% every single year. That's that 30,000. The right now price is the 20,000. You got what's called a primary GIO attached to yours, which is really good. So I can tell you're young. What this means is basically on certain dates like 25, 28, 31, 34, 37, and 40. Your first marriage, birth, or adoption of a child, you can add up to 25,000 more of coverage. So basically, you're guaranteed to add that. And also a generator for you is called ADB, accidental death benefit. So basically, 200,000 generated for you. What that means is if you pass away in an accident, or like it could be like an automobile, car, train, boat, work related, whatever. As long as it's an accident, they're going to pay out that full 200,000. This does go away when you turn 70. So I always like to let people know that. But if you do die by accident, it's going to pay out that full 230,000. If it's just natural causes, it's going to be 30,000. And what also is attached to your policy called terminal illness rider. This basically means if you go to the doctor, they say you got 12 months to live, you're going to pay out half your policy up front. The remaining amount, once that time did come, is going to go to your beneficiary. Because we're a union company, we got called a layoff waiver. So what this means is basically if you got laid off from your job, they're going to waive your premiums for 3 months. The fourth month, you continue paying premiums, you don't pay nothing back. So basically, you get 3 months free. And then you got a strike waiver attached because we're a union company. If your company ever goes on strike, we're going to waive your premiums up to 12 months. 13th month, you continue paying premiums, you don't pay anything back. One other thing we have is called a waiver of premium. So I always add this on as well, unless you just twist my arm and take it off. It's only a couple of dollars. But what that means is that if something happens, you was 100% disabled, if and you got a car wreck or something like that, and 6 months later you're still 100% disabled, they're gonna waive your premiums for the rest of your life. So you basically have a free policy for the rest of your life. So
Okay.
basically, with everything covered, you got all your final expenses covered, primary GIO, guaranteed insurability option. You got your accidental death benefit, all your waivers attached for no cost. Your waiver premium, you're right at $45.64. The second option that generated for you, everything I just mentioned, is coverage is just the 20,000, so it's 10,000 less. To be right at $37.10. Now, out of both of these options, which one works better for you? Do you want to make any adjustments?
I think this one right here seems pretty good, right? The 30,000.
The 30,000, okay, with the
Mm-hmm.
45.64. All
Yeah.
right. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna submit your application. We're gonna get started and fill out your app and get you going. All right.
Alrighty.